I am plugging in the WN823N Wi-Fi adapter to my PC's USB port. The adapter is not working in Windows 7 after installation. If the adapter is not working in Windows 7, let's see how to fix it. First, unplug the adapter from here. Plug the adapter into a USB 3.0 port on your PC. Now check if the adapter is working. If the adapter is still not working, go to step 2. Click on the Start menu. Search Device Manager. Click on Device Manager. Click on Network Adapters. Check your adapter. If the adapter is disabled from here, enable it. After enabling, check if the adapter is working. If the adapter is still not working, update your drivers. Before updating, you must connect your PC to the internet. If your phone has an internet connection, you can share the internet from your phone to the PC using a USB cable. Open Settings on your phone. Turn on USB tethering from your phone. After doing this, the PC will be connected to the internet connection. You can also update your drivers from another internet-connected PC. After connecting your PC to the internet, open an internet browser. Search by typing WN823N driver download. Select your driver version from here. There are many driver versions for different devices. Select the Windows 7 supported version from here and download it. After downloading, click on it. Now extract the file. Now install the driver on your PC. The driver is installing. The driver is now installed on the PC. After installing the driver, disconnect your phone from the PC. Now check if the adapter is working. The adapter is now working, so Wi-Fi is showing on the PC. Now connect your PC to Wi-Fi. The PC is now connected to Wi-Fi. This is how you can fix it if the driver is not working on Windows 7.